Welcome to another episode of The Customer's House, brought to you by...
Hey everybody, it's your window man, Eric with Window Depot USA. We are out here in Tipp City today on Kessler Colesville, close to the Windmere subdivision. This customer got 4 windows and a new door. These 2 here on the ends are casements, and they are black on the outside, white on the inside. But the 2 on the ends are casements, and this one's just a picture window. They did not want this wood covered, and I don't blame them. So the guys just stopped the capping, and they just did a little bit of aluminum work out here to tie everything in. So if you want to come over here and take a look at this door, we recreated what they had exactly. These side lights on these doors, if you notice, they're really skinny. That's what we call direct set glass. So that's just glass in there in the frame of that side light. It allows us to get smaller side light dimensions on the width versus a normal 10-inch side light. And then just a solid door, fiberglass door with the black hardware. So I'm gonna go on inside and we'll show you what it looks like from the inside. All right, here's the door from the inside. Love these doors from Provia. Deadlock works great. And then as you can see on the inside, it's just that direct set glass and it's inside that frame. It's worked out really well. Over here are the casement windows. These are very large casement windows. They actually are maxed out on the size. It's 72 inches tall. We can't go any taller. And what used to be here was direct set glass in all 3 pieces. The guys came in. This is different from what we had before, so I believe but it's the same trim, so the guys were able to reuse the trim because they had to take it all down to get that direct set glass out. But just like all the other casements, now when they open this up to get some air from both sides, I can feel air already, but they've got a 6-foot opening to catch all that nice air on these mild Ohio days. Nice. And then the other window that we did was right back here off of the dining room area. It's just a big picture window. Love it. You can see everything out back. Real nice and easy. And once again, this was also a direct set glass. And then we put in a framed window, black on the outside, white on the inside. And there's, everybody say hi to the dog. So thanks for joining me for this episode of The Customer's House. Peace out, everybody.